Hello, lovely audience. Welcome back. My dear friends, if you are someone who are trying to speak English like native speakers effortlessly, fluently, without translating in your head, this video is for you. My dear friends, before starting the video, I would request you please subscribe to it and hit the bell icon so that you could receive every new video because I'm working on English speaking skill and I'm here to support you. I'm here to guide you and I hope you will find this video very productive. So let's get started. My dear friends, start working on your receptive skills to develop your productive skills. My friends, when we talk about English language skills, there are four skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. And out of these four skills, two skills are receptive skills: listening and reading. And these skills can help you develop your productive skills. Writing and speaking are the productive skills. And when we talk about English language skills, speaking is entirely different from all these skills. So listening is all about speaking. When you listen, you develop your ears. When you listen, you improve your pronunciation. When you listen, you develop your accent. My friends, what to listen and when to listen and how much you have to listen. My dear friends, just find your interest. Start listening native speakers, start listening the content in which you are interested. You must do what you love to do. My friends, listening and reading, these two skills are receptive skills because in these two skills you receive something. And writing and speaking, these two skills are productive skills and active skills because in these two skills you produce something. When you speak, you produce speech. When you write, you also produce something. So I always motivate you to start taking input, start listening, start reading, and you will feel a great difference. So do it only for 21 days. Then it will become your habit. And we are non-native speakers. English is not our mother tongue. We must not focus on accent in the very beginning. Just start focusing on your pronunciation because only pronunciation makes you comprehensible. If your pronunciation is correct, people will understand you. If you are working on your pronunciation, you will start understanding native speakers and don't feel any sort of pressure of making mistakes. Mistakes are the part of the process. My friend, if you are committing mistakes, it means that you are on the right path of becoming fluency. You are gonna achieve your goals. My friends, fluency is all about consistency. It's a marathon, it's not a sprint. It's a race, it's a journey, it's not destination. So just start embarking on this beautiful journey. Believe in you, and you will be speaking like a native speaker. My friends, I'm not native speaker. And when did I start this journey? At that time, I was translating in my head. So translation method will never help you become fluent. You need to switch the method. You need to start doing audiolingual method. You have to switch yourself to a direct method. Direct method and audiolingual method. These two methods are the great methods and they can help you become fluent in English speaking skill. My friends, feel okay, feel comfortable with your mistakes because mistakes are as obvious as day and night. So the thing is, you must do it something practically. Start doing it because actions speak louder than words. And one thing that is very important, you can do it. You can speak English fluently, effortlessly, powerfully, without taking effort, without translating in your head. Just start thinking in English and immerse yourself in English environment. I'm not saying that you must visit some English speaking country. Just do it in the comforts of your own home. We'll see you very soon in the next video. Stay blessed.